Hey guys, welcome back to a banger video. As you see here, I got my hero blaster, about $5 at the Five Below, and it comes with these little darts right here, as you can see on the side there. It's prime. No, it ain't prime, but it's spring loaded. Then you pop it. And it's no bullets in, so don't worry, I'm not gonna lose them. And it comes with 4 darts. Now, you actually could fit into like a holster for that one. So I used to have a 4-inch baton holster. I used to carry a gun in it, but no more. That's why I got the $5 pistol. I didn't take all the labels off because I just got the blaster. But look, I got hero running on both sides. This is how I hold my blaster. Hold one a hand right there and a finger right there. Then I go I can do like that and just launch it. This thing goes to 50 feet. It goes 50 feet. Ages 8 and older. For blasters, I recommend if you're under 8 and older, ask your parents to buy you the weapon and make sure you are under adult supervision. Now, if you want to learn more about this product, please go to Five Below or Amazon. You can find the product. I found it at Five Below for $5. And this is me, Kaden Neely, signing out. Peace!